In this video, our first topic is data type. So data type means the type of data that can be stored by a variable. So there are three types of classes. The first one is fundamental, the second one is derived, and the third one is user defined. These two we will study in the upcoming sessions, and in this video let's concentrate on these five. So fundamental or primary data types are already defined by the C language, and the first one is int. Int means it can store an integer number. So for example, we are going to define int x. It means that x is a variable that can store an integer number and 2 bytes of memory will be reserved. Next one is char. Char means it can store one character. For example, it can store the character K. So, only one byte will be reserved for this character inside the computer memory, and it is declared as char x. Next we have float. Float means it is a decimal number, for example 3.14, and it allocates 4 bytes of memory space. And double means it can store more number of decimal places, for example as given over here. It will be allocating 8 bytes of memory. Next we have void. Void means it cannot be used to store any set of value. So it will be empty. Next, what is meant by a variable? A variable is a data name that can be used to store some data value. And it can also store different values during different times of execution of the program. As the name suggests, it is variable, so it can change. Now, how is a variable declared? Variable is declared like this. The data type is specified and then followed by the variable name and the semicolon. For example, here we have float A, B, C. It means that there are three variables, each of type float. For A, 4 bytes will be reserved. For B, 4 bytes will be reserved. And for C, 4 bytes will be reserved. Next, we have char name 10. It means that it can store 10 such characters under the variable name called name. So it is actually called as an array. An array of characters can be stored, and the value within the square bracket indicates that 10 such values can be stored. So for each of the character, 1 byte will be reserved in the memory. Variable initialization means you can give some value to the variable. Even though you give that value, your value can change after some time. So here n is given the value 22.889, which is a floating point number. Answer is a variable which has the value y stored in it. What is meant by an expression? An expression actually represents a single data item. For example, it can be a number or a character, or it can be some logical condition like this, as shown over here. Next, what is meant by a statement? An expression which is followed by a semicolon is called as a statement. For example, x equal to y plus z will be an expression which is followed by a semicolon. So first y plus z is evaluated and then that value is given to the variable called x. Next, what is meant by a compound statement? A compound statement consists of a set of braces, and inside that your statements can be written. Escape characters means they cannot be typed directly from the keyboard and that will not be reflected onto the screen. So if you have to see that, then what you have to give is you have to give such characters. For example, if you want to print something in a new line as shown over here, then what we will do is hello. For example, this is a print statement. This is also a print statement. If this escape character /n is not provided, then it will be printed like this. Hello, C programming. But since we have given a new line character over here, it means that after hello is printed, then only in the next line would be printed. So this is the advantage of using escape characters. In order to print a single quote, we have to give a backward slash followed by a single quote. If a backward slash has to be printed, then we have to use a backward slash followed by a backward slash. If a space has to be left between two words or characters, then we have to give /t, which stands for tab. So these are few escape characters which are shown over here.